pretty flamingos.
Outside here, it's a rather warm 25 degrees Celsius, but I'm about to go inside this building where with the air conditioning, it makes it 20 degrees Celsius. Now, 5 degrees doesn't make much difference to me, but I'm about to investigate some birds where just plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius is the difference between life and death.
Steve Broomfield looks after birds in the earliest stages of life, when they're still in their eggs.
Hi, Steve.
Hi, Femi.
Who's this then?
This is an African grey chick. He's a few days off hatching now. As you can see, this is the embryo, it's the dark material at the bottom, and we've got the air space at the top. Should we put him in the incubator?
Yeah. Steve, what does this do?
Well, this is the incubator, and its job is to keep eggs such as this and this curacao egg at the right temperature until they hatch.
So what is the right temperature?
Well, that's between 36.8 and 37.8 degrees Celsius, and it must stay between those two values or the chicks could actually die.
Right, so that's really important. How do you make sure the temperature is actually kept constant?
Well, we can't actually keep it constant, and it's the role of the thermostat to switch the heaters on when it gets too cold and switch them off when it gets too hot.
I better put this chick back.
And I'll go and check the computer.
It's not kept constant. Let's try and work this out.
When the heater's working, it warms up the air inside the incubator. When the temperature has risen to 37.8 degrees Celsius, the thermostat turns off the heater. The heat then flows to the cooler air outside and the temperature falls. At 36.8 degrees Celsius, more heat is needed, so the heater switches on again.
So, Steve, rather than the incubator having to be kept at a constant temperature, it actually has to go up and down.
That's right, look. These are the temperatures over the last few hours.
And if it goes outside these limits, the computer sounds an alarm.